Hello, let me show you all display settings that you can find on a Redmi 14C. And first of all, we are able to turn on the dark mode, but also we can turn on the dark mode for specific apps. By going here, we can force application to turn on the dark mode. We can also adjust the text and the background automatically by clicking on the switcher, and we can even get the scheduled time. So we can get from sunset to sunrise, or for example, the custom start and end time of this feature. Next, we can find the screen brightness, automatic screen brightness, and what we can even find here, there's the sunlight mode, so it will adjust the brightness to strong ambient light. We can change screen colors. At the bottom, we can even change color temperature and even the custom one. Right here, we can find reading mode, so we can simply enable this, blue light filter or get the black and white. We can change the color temperature. We can add the texture, so it looks actually like the real paper. You can also schedule this one. Right here, we can change font styles by going into this store. And also we can change font size and font bold. So that's how it looks. That's all settings. Thanks for watching.